So let's move to physics for future, actually. So what do you think? What will be the next developments in your field?
One of the ways I would answer that in a job interview, depending on what the job was for, and I think it's a good answer for physics as well, if I knew what I was going to be doing in 10 years, I wouldn't be doing the right thing. But that doesn't mean we don't dream about what we might be able to do in 10 years. So one of the things that I'm sure you and your listeners have heard about that's really exciting these days is the possibility of quantum computers. And it turns out that laser cooling is one of the developments that has made certain kinds of quantum computers possible.
I remember that I was invited in the US, in the National Academy of Sciences, to participate in a group of people to write, what will atomic physics do during the next 10 years. And there was one chapter in there that talked, we will do error correction. I said, okay, yes, we will do that. But 10 years, it took 2 years, until this thing was realized. So, wow, we are making progress much faster than I personally had actually hoped for. Of course, I'm dreaming to have this progress, but somehow it's happening at the pace that really, is somehow flabbergasting. But at the same time, we should also be aware that we are pretty far away still from sort of the ultimate limit of building a huge fault-tolerant machine that really fulfills the promise of quantum computing in the way that we are dreaming about. But I'm very sure it will come.
In 10 years, things that would normally take us hours to articulate through computer-aided design, and it's very laborious, it's very intensive. And if we can make that process just streamlined, more intuitive, and still get to where the human was intending to go, that's a huge win. So you can focus on more of the fun aspects of the creative process versus some of the more annoying aspects of CAD modeling. But I also think that just the role that that geometric deep learning will play in physics simulations, in the design and engineering of physical systems is going to be quite immense. Already folks are using this for doing drug design, for understanding protein interactions. So I would imagine that we're going to have amazing multi-scale physics models, things that can model things at the small scale, the medium scale, and the large scale all at once, treat systems holistically, allow us to zoom in where we want to zoom in or zoom out where we want to zoom out. Just the ability to explore and understand things will be really enhanced.
These are only 3 out of many outstanding speakers which will come to Luxembourg on the 14th and 15th of May for our Physics for Future conference. The conference is organized by the Department of Physics and Materials Science at FSTM of the University of Luxembourg. Registrations and more information in the link.